Hey, if you're new to this channel, make sure you turn red button into gray and hit the bell icon.
Crisis. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are vlogging our precious video. 20 hours to go. Woo!
Few moments later.
Can be right here.
हमने जूस पिया और उसके बाद हम बस पीजी भागने की तैयारी में थे क्योंकि 10 बजे की लिमिट है.
So 14 hours left for our freshers and what do we have scheduled for tomorrow? उसके बाद हम रेस्ट के लिए जाएंगे, फिर स्ट्रेटनिंग के लिए जाएंगे, उसके बाद सिलिकॉन. We are going to drink सुबह चाय. मुझे खुद नहीं पता मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ.
I would really take a moment and appreciate all my friends for tolerating me and helping me to vlog.
So guys, we are in major crisis. 6 are left to our freshers and one of our friends hasn't decided what to wear at tonight. So we are going to some place to find her dress and let's hope we find a beautiful dress for her.
We all were super hungry, so we decided to stop at a place and have a brunch, which went well, and we'll see Jadu. So while we were paying our bills, we also searched for some places where we can go and find a beautiful dress for our friends. So we went for shopping.
हमने टोटल कितनी ड्रेसेस ट्राई कर ली, अप्रॉक्स 50 राइट, एंड स्टिल वी हैवंट गॉट अ ड्रेस.
While Shambhavi was trying her dresses, we were doing some time pass in the shop and discussing what other are going to wear and did a bit gossip, but let's move on. Actually, at this point of time, we all were super tired and confused which dress we have to buy for our friend. But we tried and it went really crazy. After we were done with our dress, we went to a salon for a hairdo, and it really went amazing. So at this point of time, we left Shambhavi at the salon so she can do her hairdo, and we went with Khushi to buy her some stuff to Al Kapuri. Also, during the whole process, we were so excited and the energy was so high. We were jamming during the long drives, and it went really well. But finding location in a new city, it gets a lot confusing. Also, then we got messed up and didn't find a parking lot, but in the end we find it.
मतलब खुशी को खुशी देखी जाती है, बट खुशी कुछ ज्यादा ही खुशी हो गई. ओके, ये गली में मेरी गाड़ी नहीं जाएगी. तो बॉम्बे क्या है, बॉम्बे सैंडविच वाली जगह प्रॉपर अलकापुरी पे खड़े हैं हम लोग. ये क्या है आगे जगह पार्किंग की खुशी. Victory! We are done with our shopping. Silicon brunch, you know. Yo.
So we drive back to the salon to pick up Shambhavi, and she looked very pretty. Well, her hairs were cut straight.
So for now, everything has been tick in our checklist for today. Abhi to filhal, and we are done with all our stuffs which we have to buy, and we are done with our shoppings. Our friend got a beautiful dress, and now we are leading to PG. So stay tuned. Get ready with me.
So we had a special guest on a very short notice, our senior Bindya. She came to us to visit.
Juniors काम पे लगो फटाफट. Yes ma'am.
So get ready with me for freshers. नहा लिया है, बाल धो लिया है, nails are done. Got this cute ring और ये got this earring. I think will go with my outfit and बाजू मेरी roommate star हो रही है. So देख कर आते हैं कि क्या होने वाला है. मैंने अपना फेस क्लीन कर लिया है, मॉइस्चराइजर लगा लिया है एंड ड्रेस रिवील. So at this point of time we were lack of time and lack of all the supplies. We can't go to a salon or had any skills of makeup, but we had a friend Chelsea who helped us and she was the makeup artist for all of 4 of us and we are very glad to have her. Nails were done, so was I and my friends. I guess all 4 of us, me, Khushi, Riddhi and Shambhavi looked stunning this night and
running late for our freshers and हमारी हालत बहुत ख़राब हो रखी है and the traffic sucks here.
at this point of time we all were panicking कि हम लेट ना हो जाए freshers के लिए, so we decided to play songs जो थोड़ी energy लाएं, but gladly it went right.
Finally we did it, guys!
So punctually we reached our destination and we were moving ahead into the hotel. All of us were looking stunning and this is what happened in girls washroom, guys. We all were clicking pictures and had an amazing time in a washroom. Yeah, you heard it right. So this was the vibe when fresher just began and we entered the hall. And it was really crazy and unexpected, but it went really crazy after the DJ was played. You'll see it. So the DJ played music for 2 to 3 hours and we danced crazily. Then it head to dinner and
On happy endings, the vlogs comes to an end and all of my 3 PG mates went to the final round, which was very exciting. And out of them, the Miss Fresher was Miss Fresher. Woo!
12 seconds later.
so we all were super tired and it was 12:30 at night and we were leading to our PG. We took permission and it was a night I'll never forget. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe.